Hey guys, are you sick and tired of having to plug your phone in to connect to your Android Auto in your Ford vehicle? Stick around and I'm going to show you how to use this and connect wirelessly. So my 2017 F-150 comes with Sync3 and Android Auto, but the Android Auto version is only the wired one, which says something about the Bluetooth is not the right Bluetooth in order to connect wirelessly to have enough data throughput or something like that. So if you got the Sync3 with the wired Android Auto, I'm going to show you how we're going to go through this little device that I picked up off of Amazon. It's a wireless Bluetooth connector that connects specifically for Android Auto or for Apple CarPlay. Works for both of them. So let's talk about the old way. So with the old Android Auto system, what you had to do was, after having it set up on your phone, you had to actually manually plug the USB cable into the bottom of your phone and into the car and have it connect. Sometimes it would connect automatically, sometimes it wouldn't, so those are always a bit of a pains when you're trying to work with it. And if you're like me, the cords are just pain in the ass. They're either getting tangled down there, you can't find the right one. I don't know how many cords I've gone through that I've had to replace. So I've been dealing with this frustration for a little while, so I did a little bit of research looking on Amazon, and I came up with this Zaz Luke Wi-Fi Bluetooth adapter specifically for Android Auto and for Apple CarPlay. Works for both apparently. So I'll go through exactly how the setup is. It's basically plug and play. You don't require a new app. You don't require new software. All it does is basically connect via Bluetooth, and then your Android Auto recognizes it right off the bat. So let's go through and how that works. All right, let's start by starting the motor. Plug it in the USB. Going over here. Look for this Cowan 8. Pair it. Once it's paired, Android Auto kicks in. Simple as that. Well guys, there you have it. If that's not the simplest setup going, I don't know what is. Once you got the Bluetooth connected, it recognizes the Android Auto, turns itself on, boots up the Android Auto all seamlessly. And again, once you turn the vehicle off, turn it back on, Android Auto is up and running in like 10 seconds. So pretty easy to set up and get that way. I'm pretty impressed with it. I will leave a link down in the description if you're interested in this particular one. I recommend it. I think there's other ones out there as well, but if you got any questions or comments or some compatibility issues with your vehicle, send them in the comments down below, and we'll see if we can have a chat about it. If you got anything out of this video, please give me a like. Otherwise, we're going to see you in the next one. Cheers.